Hello everyone, back again with another video. We've now fitted. We've now added a RM noise filter client onto the PC, and lo and behold, it works with the TRU SDX through USB. So long as you've got the TRU SDX driver enabled, it works. So there you go. Quite surprised about that. I didn't think it would, but you go. There you go. Every day you learn something. Every day's a school day, as they say. Now, that's full filtering on. I'll bypass it. Listen to the difference. Put it back on.
From KR2N. Watch you again on the 40 meters. It was very pleasure to meet you again. The name is Charlie, G-I-N-I. I'm located in Indianapolis, Transvaal, Italy. It is a very pleasure to work you on 224 on the 40 meters. Thank you very much and appreciate it. Happy New Year. Sure, heading on to November. Go away, Charlie, Golf Sierra. Shop over number 85. Okay, 73. Good to hear you again.
I'll take it off again.
Ciao. Running 1,500 watts. 1,500 watts.
Look at that for a difference, eh?
And center is a vertically polarized delta loop.
So, to be quite honest with you, it surpasses the DX10. It definitely does. The DX10 is brilliant, but no anywhere near as good as this. This is quite incredible software.
Thank you. 73.
Listen to that. Beautiful. Beautiful. I wonder if I could get this guy. And we'll see what it does on transmit. He wants out of Europe, but Mike 0 Kilo Juliet QRP. Rod Mike 0 Kilo Juliet QRP, Roger. No, the delay, that's the problem. Mike 0 Kilo Juliet QRP. No. Mike 0 Kilo Juliet QRP. Mike 0 Kilo Juliet QRP. Oh, I'm only running half a watt. Mike 0 Kilo Juliet QRP. Mike 0 Kilo Juliet QRP. He's getting quite weak though, he's fading. Oh. Mike 0 Kilo Juliet QRP. Mike 0 Kilo Juliet QRP. No. The delay could be an issue, but that's the only thing. No. Right, let's see if there's anyone else. We've got to go up relatively slow.
CQ 40 meters bound. This is Echo Alpha 3 Kilo Echo. Echo Alpha 3 Kilo Echo calling. CQ 40 meters. CQ 40 meters bound. This is Echo Alpha 3 Kilowatt Echo.
Mike, no.
Calling CQ 40 meters. CQ 40 meters bound. This is Echo Alpha 3 Kilo Echo. Echo Alpha 3, Kilo Echo calling, 40 meters and standby. Over.
Mike 0 Kilo Juliet Juliet QRP.
Station QRP.
There you go. Mike 0 Kilo Juliet Juliet. Mike 0 Kilo Juliet Juliet QRP.
Juliet QRP.
Roger, Mike 0 Kilo Juliet Juliet QRP.
Okay, Trevor, very
go.
good evening. Mike 0 Kilo Juliet Juliet Station QRP. This is Echo Alpha 3 Kilo Echo. Thank you very much for calling. Well, I will drive. My name is Tony Tango Oscar, November, India. And my QTH is near Barcelona in the northeast of Spain. Microphone is for you. Mike 0 Kilo Juliet Juliet Station QRP. This is Echo Alpha 3 Kilo Echo.
Echo Alpha 3 Kilo Echo. I didn't quite catch your last letter on your suffix, but this is Mike 0 Kilo Juliet Juliet. You're 5 and 9 into Kilmarnock in Scotland. 5 and 9, a lovely signal, and we are using RM Noise Client tonight to filter out some of the noise. The radio here is a TRU SDX kit radio, a TRU SDX kit radio, and we are giving out a 4 watts into an end-fed half-wave antenna. Roger?
Station. This is okay, thank you very much, my friend, for this nice consultation. Wishing all the best for you and for the family. Have a good day, good luck, and good PX. Thank you on 73. All the best. Bye-bye.
Roger. Thank you very much for the QSO. Lovely to talk to you. This is Mike 0 Kilo Juliet Juliet, wishing you best 73 and God bless. Now, how about that? So there you go. That's it in a nutshell. That's him away. I don't know whether he was actually copying me too well, to be fair. I prefer using the internal microphone, external microphone, than the internal. But this RM Noise Client is incredibly good. The only thing with it, I would say, it's a wee bit of a disadvantage is the delay time. And we can see the delay here is about 0.2 of a second, but I think it's a bit longer than that, to be honest with you. It could well be a combination of the radio, which is a fairly low baud rate, so that might be something to do with it. But for the radio to work on this with USB is wonderful. That's great. So there you go. Okay, guys, take care. Thank you very much for looking at this wee video, and no doubt we'll catch up very, very soon. All the best. Bye for now.